Alright, so I have this PDF on my Honor 10. This is Microsoft 365. I'm using the Excel. And I have this Excel sheet which spreads until column P here. And now I want to fit everything into a single page into a PDF without cropping it. So what I can do is I print this Excel. You can press Ctrl P. Alright, so what to print will be this active sheet. Scaling is important. You want to fit all columns from A to P on a single page. So select fit all columns on one page. Paper size, typically I will choose A4 because this is quite the standard for a printer or for home use printer. And orientation, I use landscape because I want things to be easier to see when it's printed out because this is quite long. I can of course choose portrait, but portrait will be quite narrow. You will have to take some effort to see what you printed. Okay, so it's better to use landscape if your columns are a lot. Now let me just print. Alright, so you can choose the printer here, but basically there's an option called Save as PDF. You select it, then you save it. Okay, you can give it a name. Alright, it's saved. Then the location will be inside Files. Alright, Files. Go to Docs, and as you can see, sample Excel save as PDF is here. So open it, and there you go. You have successfully saved the Excel into a PDF without cutting anything off. So I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.